Hey, good day. So this is a tutorial about factoring perfect square trinomial. So as you can see, meron tayong dalawang patterns. So the first pattern is a square plus 2ab plus b square equals quantity a plus b times of quantity a plus b, or pwedeng quantity a plus b square. The other one, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals a quantity a minus b times of quantity a minus b, or it can be written as quantity a minus b square. So how do we know if the given is a perfect square trinomial? So let's say, for example, number 1, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So para malaman natin kung ito ay perfect square trinomial, first we need to apply the square root on the first term and the last term. So let's say x squared. So the square root of x squared is x. Okay. Next, the square root of 9 is 3. Then we need to multiply the square root that we got. So x times 3 is equal to 3x, but we are not yet done because we need to multiply this to 2. So it's like 2 times 3x, which is equal to 6x. Now, what about this 6x? Ano kinalaman nito? Kailangan, the result of this must be the same with the second term of your given. Ito po. Okay? So, if nasatisfy natin yan, meaning to say that the given expression is a perfect square trinomial. Okay? Now, let's factor the given. And the first thing that you need to do is to identify which pattern are we going to use. So that depends on the given. So as you can see, the given is x squared plus 6x plus 9. So you just need to look at the middle term. If the middle term is positive, meaning to say you will be using the first pattern, this one. Okay? Now, the first thing that you need to do in order to factor this is to apply the square root on the first and the last term. So just like what we did a while ago. So the square root of the first term is x, the square root of the last term is 3. So this x will be your a and 3 will be your b. Then all you have to do is substitute the value of your a and b to the pattern. This one. So it's like quantity a, ang a mo dito ay x. Okay? Plus b, what is your b? b is 3. Then, same lang naman siya sa next. So, just copy x plus 3. Or, if you want to write the factors in short representation, it can be written as x plus 3 quantity square. So, these two are the same. Okay? So, kahit ano dyan pwede maging answer. So, this is our answer in number 1. Next, let us proceed. Next example, number 2. So, the given is, we have m raised to 4 plus 2 m square n raised to 4 plus n raised to 8. So again, determine first if the given expression is a perfect square trinomial. So how we're going to do that? So again, apply the square root on the first and the last term. So square root of m raised to 4 is m squared the square root of n raised to 8 is n raised to 4. Then multiply both. So this will be m square n raised to 4. But we are not yet done because we need to multiply the product again by 2. So 2 times m square n raised to 4, that is equal to 2m square n raised to 4. Now check if the given result or if the result is the same as your middle term. So it is confirmed. The given is a perfect square trinomial. Now, we can factor this by using our pattern a while ago. So let's start. So again, apply square root on the first and last term. So the square root is m squared. This one, the square root is n raised to 4. Then, this will be your a, this will be your b. So, you're going to follow the first pattern. So, the factor will be m squared plus n raised to 4 square. Okay, so that's it. Or if you want a longer representation, it can be m squared plus n raised to 4 times the quantity m squared plus n raised to 4. So they are the same. Next example, number 3. So we have 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So again, apply square root on the first and last term. So what are the square root? So square root of 4x squared is 2x, square root of 25 is 5. So this will be your a, this is your b. Then substitute it to the pattern. So since plus pa rin ang middle term natin, we are going to use the first pattern. But just in case na maging minus siya, let's say gawin natin minus. We will now be using the second pattern. Okay? So instead of plus, magiging minus. So the factor of the expression will be 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. Or, for shorter representation, it can be written as 2x minus 5 raised to 2. So that's the answer. It can be any of the two. Okay, thanks.